Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I want to talk to you about something exciting and full of potential: online earning. Imagine being able to earn money from the comfort of your home in just spending few hours a day. Sounds amazing, right? In today's digital world, online earning is not just a dream but a reality for many. Whether you are a student, a homemaker, or someone looking to supplement their income, there are numerous opportunities waiting for you. From freelancing, blogging, and online teaching to selling products, the internet has opened up endless opportunities and possibilities. So many of you might be thinking that why should we consider online earning, right? So first of all, flexibility. You can work at your own convenience, no strict office hours, no daily commute. Multiple income sources. You can diversify your income sources. Why rely on one job when you can have several streams of income? Skill development. Online work helps you learn new skills and improve the ones you already have. This makes you more marketable and increases your earning potential. So starting is very simple. Begin by identifying your skills and interest. There are platforms that offer you work. If you enjoy writing, start a blog. If teaching is your passion, online tutoring can help you. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step. Dedicate just 2 to 3 hours a day and you will be surprised at how quickly you can start earning online. It's all about taking the first step and being consistent, because consistency is very important. We usually break our pattern of doing tasks, so that should be avoided and focus on the consistency. So let's embrace the digital age and unlock the potential of online earning. The opportunities are endless and the time to start is now. Online earning refers to a process of making money through various activities and platforms available on the internet. So if you don't have any idea that where should we start, then here we are, Success Pathfinder, to help you out. We offer online earning opportunities. You can earn by spending just 2 to 3 hours a day. You will be given tasks per day and you have to complete those tasks in that day only. On that basis you will get paid. You can earn money in very simple way. There is nothing like that you have to disturb your other commitments. You can do whatever you are doing currently, right? So you have to spend just few hours a day and you can earn money easily. So let me clear, it is not a chain network marketing kind of thing where you connect people, influence them to join and sell products. It's not like that. It is more related to education field where teaching, marketing, business development and other professional skills are required. Even if you have basic skills, you can join and can earn money at the comfort of your own home. So what are you waiting for? I don't think there is opportunity better than this. So join us today. This is Success Pathfinder, your journey, our guidance. Thank you so much.